Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to share tools that can save you. And this is one of them. Have you ever lost an important file if you're using a Mac on your Mac? Maybe it was a lesson video you spent hours recording, a set of slides for your next class, or a folder of photos and documents you needed for an upcoming presentation. It happens to all of us, but when it does, we panic. Even when we think we have our files safely stashed away somewhere, we still find it unacceptable when our system crashes or an update erases hours of work in an instant. But you don't have to panic anymore. I want to share with you how you can restore your lost teaching material, or if you're not an educator, your content from your computer in just a few minutes using Wondershare Recoverit V14. Wondershare Recoverit V14 is an advanced AI-powered data recovery tool for Mac users, but also for Windows users. But since I'm a Mac user, I'm going to demonstrate on my Mac. As an educator and content creator who encourages her teachers to use videos, I'm always looking for reliable tools that can save time and protect my work. Recoverit has become one of those dependable solutions I can trust. Recoverit is designed specifically for Mac in this case, so it integrates smoothly with the system and feels intuitive from the moment you open it. It supports all major video, audio, images, and document file types, all types, which is ideal for teachers like you and I, and trainers who create multimedia lessons, screen recordings, or online course materials. That means PowerPoint slides, recorded lectures, and even classroom photos or PDF files can be restored exactly as they were before. And I mean exactly. So when you launch Wondershare Recoverit V14, the home screen shows every storage location, as you can see, on your Mac or Windows. You simply choose the drive that you're using on your system or folder where you're missing content. Let me take you through that and show you how it works in real time to demonstrate just how powerful Recoverit is. I deleted one of my images, a very important image that I need right now, and I emptied the trash. So it's gone. There is nothing in the trash. Going to recover it by going into folder. Notice I'm going to go into documents. That's where the file was. Going to open it. Notice allow. And notice what's happening here. These are the files. Now I want to recover an image. It was a PNG image. Going to go into recover, hit that, and notice it's going to recover the image. We suggest saving files to another drive. All right, I could save it in another drive. So notice it's recovering all the files so that if I removed any other, or if the whole folder was removed by any chance, it will now recover it. It's recovering everything. I think that's absolutely amazing. So let's wait for that to happen. Now notice the file recovery is complete. I'm going to open the folder. Okay, there's the photo, and I can see all the photos that I had and look for this particular one and retrieve it. That's how easy it is. Absolutely amazing. Now, that was the recovery. Before the recovery, and this may take some time, Recoverit goes through a deep scan, depending on how many files you have, and it's really worth it. It may take some time, as I said. You can actually see files start appearing as it scans your system. And this is very reassuring to watch how your lost projects slowly reappear on the screen with Recoverit. It even recognizes complex file structures like layered images and large video clips, making it especially useful for those of us who work with video editing or multimedia teaching projects. Once the scan finishes, you can preview the files, any file, before deciding which one to recover. Let me show you what it looks like. Notice on the left, you've got file repair from iCloud and other tools, as well as hard drives and other locations. And get this, if you're recovering files from an external device, like an SD card, Recoverit now makes that process even easier. The SD card recovery section has a newly updated interface that guides you step by step, making the experience much clearer and more intuitive than before. This part of the software also includes enhanced AI capabilities, such as the AI Deep Scan, which digs even deeper to detect and restore files with exceptional accuracy. Whether your external device is damaged, formatted, or simply unreadable, the improved UI and the advanced AI work together to recover your data quickly and reliably. What I appreciate most is that the recovered files are complete and clean, with no missing frames, no distorted sound, and no file corruption. The project simply opens and works as it did before. Recoverit's success rate is impressive, with reports of up to 99.5% successful recovery, even for large videos or image files. Another feature I found valuable is that Recoverit can restore data from formatted or damaged drives, and it does so safely without overwriting your existing files. This adds an extra layer of security when working on important projects for educators who record lessons, manage online courses and course content, or prepare multimedia materials for conferences or workshops. This peace of mind is essential. And you can see system crashed. Okay, restore data from your crashed computer. This is absolutely amazing. I've never seen anything like this until I found Wondershare Recoverit. And notice what's here. Click on it. Notice computer not bootable. Access your crashed computers. Blue screen of death, even that, and black screen of death. You can start rescuing your data from crashed computer. Now, I don't want to do that right now, but let me assure you that that can be done. Let's go back here and notice the layout. It is so easy to manage. Notice also smart disk monitoring for health of your disks, photo and video restoration. If you go into that, notice it's working right now while I'm talking. So this is my Seagate Plus. Notice it's taking care of that and the data, as well as my Macintosh HD. So you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Every option is clearly labeled and the recovery steps are simple. You choose the drive, scan, preview, and recover. That's all it takes. It also provides clear information about file size, location, and condition, so you know exactly what you are restoring. What sets Wondershare apart is its combination of AI precision and 2 decades of experience in data recovery. With over 100 million users worldwide, it has built a reputation for reliability. For teachers and content creators who depend on digital tools every day, having a program like Recoverit is like having an insurance policy for your hard work. In education, time is precious, as we all know. We spend hours creating lessons, editing videos, and preparing materials for our learners. Losing that work can be discouraging, especially when deadlines or live classes are approaching. Recoverit brings back not just your files, but also your peace of mind.